So there is a part one, make sure that you watch it, but I'm talking about the law of reciprocity and how it applies to business. So most of us as in the online space have been told, give value, create content and all this and that, and then people will want to be your customers. Well, that's not really giving freely. That's not the spirit and energy of generosity, because you're only creating something because you want something in return or you expect something in return. But if you truly are creating from a space of, I've been blessed with these wonderful gifts that I want to actually share with the world with the intention that it is going to help someone, whether they watch my video, whether they read my post, that I can transform somebody, shift their mindset, allow them to move to a better place just because they stopped by my page. When that is the energy with which you're creating content, now you're giving freely and now you're operating in harmony with the law. And when you give that way, it is built on the trust that you already know that you're going to be cared for. You already know that you're going to be provided for, blessed, prosper, all of those things, because it's universal law. It is Bible principle. It's the way things work. So when it comes to our businesses, our systems are how we sell. That's how somebody pays us their money, how we deliver the product or service that we offer. But our strategy is when we're going to give, what we're going to give, and how much. So really thinking about, am I posting 5 times a week, 3 times a week? What am I going to talk about? That, and giving from a genuine and sincere